What if I told you the secret to changing your entire life isn't some big, impossible goal, but something as small as brushing your teeth? That's right. According to James Clear's Atomic Habits, if you improve just 1% every single day, you'll be 37 times better after a year. That's the compounding power of habits. Small steps today that turn into giant leaps tomorrow. This isn't just any self-help book. Atomic Habits has sold over 15 million copies, spent more than 200 weeks on the New York Times bestseller list, and is translated into 50+ languages. CEOs, Olympic athletes, and everyday readers alike swear by it. Why? Because it actually works. It's not about motivation, it's about systems. Tiny changes, huge results. Habits are like compound interest. Do something small every day and watch it snowball. 1 page of a book daily equals finishing multiple books a year. 1 push-up daily equals momentum to full workouts. Neglect works the same way too. Bad habits compound downward. 2. Identity-based habits. Forget "I want to lose weight." Say, "I am a healthy person." Every action is a vote for the kind of person you want to be. Once your habits match your identity, they stick. Want to be a writer? Write 1 sentence a day. Want to be a reader? Read 1 page daily. The 4 laws of behavior change make it obvious. Put cues in front of you. Book on pillow equals you'll read before sleep. Make it attractive. Pair habits with fun. Listen to music while exercising. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Sleep in your workout clothes. Get satisfying. Reward yourself instantly. Track streaks. Celebrate small wins. Your environment, willpower. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Surroundings matter. Want to eat healthy? Put fruits where you see them. Want less Netflix? Unplug the TV. Change the environment and habits follow naturally. The 2-minute rule. New habits should take less than 2 minutes. Want to run? Just tie your shoes. Want to study? Open your notebook. These gateway habits lower the barrier and get momentum going. Anchor new habits to old ones. After I pour my morning coffee, I'll meditate for 1 minute. After I brush my teeth, I'll floss 1 tooth. This makes habits automatic. Reward and tracking. What gets rewarded gets repeated. Give yourself small treats, track streaks on calendars or apps, and don't break the chain. The visual proof motivates you more than willpower ever could. Never miss twice. Missing once? Normal. Missing twice? That's the birth of a bad habit. If you miss the gym, do 5 push-ups tomorrow. If you eat junk, make the next meal healthy. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Play to your strengths. Habits should work with your natural talents, not against them. Identify what energizes you, build habits around it, and you'll sustain them longer. So here's the truth. Your future is built not by motivation, but by small habits repeated daily. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Instead, master the art of showing up, even for 2 minutes. That's how extraordinary lives are built. If this video inspired you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more powerful book summaries, and share this with someone who needs a boost to start new habits today. And if you want to read the full book yourself, I've left a link in the description below so you can grab your own copy of Atomic Habits. Trust me, it's worth it. Remember, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. James Clear.